Decision 2020 Battleground, Pennsylvania. I'm NBC 10's Stefania Jimenez. And now here's a big issue for many of you out there, and that's health care. It's been a concern for a long time, but the coronavirus pandemic has really put a spotlight on that. Just imagine being infected with the virus, but not having any health insurance. That's the reality for one family in Philadelphia. Right now, you're about to meet the Fortunas. More than 20 members of that family came down with the virus. They're among the millions of Latino families without health insurance. NBC 10's Miguel Martinez Valle spoke to the Fortunas about how their struggle is influencing their vote.
Yo soy sobrina de Eduardo Fortuna. Soy hija, soy nieta, yo soy todo, porque esta fue una familia que se vio impactada completamente, desde abuela, sobrinos, nietos. Somos más de 20 y pico de miembros que se vieron afectados por el COVID.
It felt like, the ground kind of like crumbled under you because so many people that you care and love are suddenly getting sick by these very dangerous virus that, even the healthcare community doesn't really know how to solve. So it's definitely a bit suffocating.
Ellos me llamaron que no podía durar más de 12 horas, que ya lo tenían sí que desconectar. Fue algo terrible.
Mis sobrinos Mélidos fueron al hospital y ellos se negaron completamente de conectarlo de la máquina. Ellos dijeron, no, vamos a luchar por nuestro hermano, seguiremos adelante.
Sabemos que tiene que haber un proceso de seguro y él no lo tenía. Creo que ninguno lo tenía.
They had to take time off from work and things like that to kind of solve these medical issues through the phone. And because of COVID, it was a little bit even more difficult to do it through the phone versus in person.
We couldn't get sick. It was not an option because we would be coming home with like thousands of dollars worth of debt. And coming from a household that is a single mom, she doesn't make that much money. Being the only person in my household that fully speaks and reads English is a heavy burden. But it's also something that comes with being in a family. It's something that we take seriously because if we don't translate this communication to our parents, there's certain information that's gonna get lost in the translation. Things that are important that they won't be able to attend to because they don't have somebody to translate it for them. I
feel like it's a responsibility that gets added on to you while being so young. So it's definitely something that helps you grow and it helps you be more aware of the healthcare system and what's missing and what's necessary. To me personally, it's very important to take action in that and have a voice when it comes to those decisions.
Definitely is one of the key factors going into this election because me and my family, we have experienced through a lot of years, difficulties on being able to get healthcare insurance. We always been denied healthcare insurance on multiple occasions.
I feel like that's the most wonderful thing about the voice of the youth currently because of that situation of, hey, my voice is not only applicable to me, but it's applicable to many of my family members. So that kind of, that feels empowering and it feels like my voice has even more weight. So like, why not use that weight?
can say that this is a miracle from God.